IONS Filtration Private Limited is a leading engineering, manufacturing, and supply company specializing in water and wastewater treatment solutions. With over 25 years of experience in the industry, we have earned a reputation for providing cutting-edge, reliable, and sustainable systems to meet the growing needs of our diverse clientele. Introducing our state-of-the-art commercial package bottle system, designed for the highest standards of purity and efficiency. Our advanced stainless steel filtration plant ensures every drop of mineral water is crystal clear, free from impurities, and safe for consumption. Paired with our fully automated filling machine, the process is streamlined for maximum precision and speed, eliminating human error and reducing waste. Introducing the automatic PET bottle blowing machine, the perfect solution for efficient, high-speed bottle production. With advanced technology, it ensures precise molding and consistent quality every time. Capable of producing a wide range of bottle sizes. This machine is designed for high-volume production, saving time and reducing costs. Its user-friendly interface and minimal maintenance make it a top choice for manufacturers. With cutting-edge technology, we deliver bottled water that meets global quality standards. Packaged in eco-friendly bottles to keep the environment in mind. Trust in our reliable system for clean, fresh, and perfectly bottled mineral water every time. Experience the future of hydration, where innovation meets purity. Boost your production capacity with unmatched reliability and performance.
With IONS Filtration Private Limited WSG Group,